Welcome to Creative Bath Lab, where I share my passion for DIY bath and body projects. Today I'm making macaroon bath bombs. These things are seriously too cute. I'm also going to show you a few different styles of fluffy frosting. By the way, the frosting is an awesome bubble bath. The recipe will be in the description. I made different batches so I could color and scent them differently. Each batch has 6 ounces of dry ingredients. To achieve a specific color, add liquid color first, then add mica or color powder little by little until the exact shade is reached. Click the icon for more sweet bath treats. I have no clue why, but I bought a 5-inch mold, which I'll obviously never use. Then I bought a 4-inch mold that seemed okay, but the macaroons were enormous. Then I got the 3-inch mold and it worked great. I'm linking a 10% off coupon code for this mold in the description. Once you have thick frosting and stiff peaks, you're good to go. icon for more bubble bath projects. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. If you're interested in this project, refer to the description where you'll find the recipe, helpful tips, and the supply list at the bottom. Connect with me anytime. My accounts are linked in the description.